everyone. Happy Thursday. I hope you're all having an amazing day. You're ready to settle in. If you haven't had dinner already, you're thinking about what you're going to have for dinner or kind of planning out what's going to be happening for dinner. I am here to teach you how to fix your makeup mistakes, and I'll look a mess. I need to acknowledge that because I don't want anyone who's new here to think that this is the look that I am intentionally putting out to the world. It is not. Please do not confuse that at all. This is on purpose. This is a broken look that we're going to fix because this is not okay. Like this, I'm better than this. This is not the way I want to look, and I so desperately want you to know that you don't have to look the way that you end up when you accidentally mess up your makeup. You can actually fix it. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let me start, as always, by introducing myself. My name's Keela Fowler. I'm the founder and CEO of 85 Beauty. And 85 Beauty is all about kicking intimidation to the curb and making makeup feel easy and accessible. All week we are talking about makeup tune-up because it is the greatest thing happening right now in 85 Beauty world. And so many of you are already securing your seats, and we're getting close to closing out. We are just a few spots away from the program being filled. It's a small group coaching experience where we are going to take the guesswork out of figuring out how you can have more than just one makeup look that you've kind of been stuck in for the last 10 years or more or less. You should just be rotating your makeup every so often, similar to how you have like go-to outfits in your closet that you know you can put on and you're going to be in and out of the door, like out of the house so easy. You know you're going to look good. You know you're going to feel good. It's like your power outfits. You know you can trust them. I need you to have some makeup outfits so that you can transition in and out for the occasion, for the way you want to feel and the way you want to look. So if you are hearing this, you're like, wait, what? I didn't hear about makeup tune-up. Can I join? Yes, you can. And it's a steal right now. It's $37. That's it. You spend, and by spend, I mean waste a whole lot more money dropping at Target on stuff you don't need. So by all means, go ahead to 85beauty.com/makeup tune-up and you can secure your spot right now. So we are going to get into fixing this dreadful situation. I'm just going to pop in the comments so that you have the direct link and you're good to go. Okay, 3 things that need to, whoa, I hit the wrong button. There we go. 3 things that you need to do in order to fix. These are the fixes that need to happen for this face. And I was intentional about making certain mistakes, and y'all, it's hard. It was hard for me to screw this up. I started putting on eyeliner and I was like, ooh, that's looking good. Yeah. And I was like, wait, no, that's not the point. You're supposed to screw it up. Do it worse. And I was like, it's like counter to my being. So we're going to fix our eyeliner. We're going to fix this blush situation because I have orange lips and pink blush and that just doesn't work. So we're going to fix the blush situation. And we're going to actually make it worse before we make it better because I need you to see what it looks like when you've over blushed or it's just the wrong color and you're like, help. And then we're going to fix this lip because this is not my color. You may think that this color looks nice on me. I appreciate that. But for how I like to feel and what I like, this is so orange and I do not think I look good in orange at all. I want to avoid orange lipstick as much as possible. And right now, this has me feeling, what's the word I'm looking for? Ugly. It makes me feel ugly. So I need to fix that. So here's what we're going to do. What you want to start with is going to be the lip. And the reason why is that the lip is the most offensive mistake in the sense that it's the thing you can't miss. Like that for me is the thing that needs to be corrected. But also because it's the most intense color, all of the other changes we do have to balance out with the color the lips become. And that's something that people sometimes mess up, is that they don't make sure that their makeup colors are in harmony. I've been talking about that a bit. And right now, everything is out of balance. I have like silver on my eyes, pink on my cheeks, orange on the lips. This isn't a look for anybody. So to fix the lip, here's what we're gonna do. First, you should always have paper towels. I just cut them into little pieces so that you can use them in a variety of ways without wasting. First thing I'm going to do is blot this lip down. I'm not gonna wipe it off. I really actually don't want you to, I don't want you to get into the habit of smearing things off of your face instead, because what that's gonna do is disrupt everything else, especially when it comes to a lip. You're going to then get it all over your mouth. You're making the problem worse. So we're gonna blot. Press, release. Okay, so we've kind of got like the initial highest pigment. We've just kind of brought that level down. Now we're gonna use a brown lip liner. The reason why we're going to use brown, and a nude, whatever is kind of like in that family for you, what it's going to do is it is going to knock down the brightness, but also start to make this more of a skin tone wearable color that has a hint of color. So I've been saying lip liner is underrated. You should have lip liners because you never know when they're going to save your life. So we're gonna line the lips. Start at the corner, work your way up, and you're just following your natural lip line. And you want to actually go heavy. Like you don't have to worry about, stay in the lines, but you don't have to worry about like making it thin. So you see me scribbling it on. Get the outline and then smush your lips together. Already that looks better. Now, we're also gonna go to the corners and pull that color up and down and up and down. Smush your lips together again. And do you see now? It's really good now. This is actually pretty. You can go towards the center. I like to leave the center the brightest because it gives you still some dimension and makes your lips look fuller. So just leaving like the very center empty. And we're just scribbling. You don't have to be perfect. Smush your lips. Done. Fixed. Now, the importance is that you just blot once. You use the color that's already there. Add your lip liner, smush, fill it in, smush. Gorgeous. Now that I know where we're at with the lips, I can fix these cheeks. I said I was going to make them worse, so let's do that first. I know it's counter to my being, but I just need you to know that you can't, it's just so bright. You can fix a bad blush situation. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. So when it comes, I look ridiculous. When it comes to blush, this is too much. First thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to take your face powder. Okay. And I'm going to take, my powder brush. I just use a little like setting brush so that I can put powder strategically. I'm going to dip this into my powder, get the brush completely coated, just tap off the excess so it's not falling and flying all over the place. And I am going to swipe this right over top of the blush. And what it's doing is it's acting as like a magic eraser. It's picking up the pigment that was left directly on top of the cheek. And the powder is just like pulling it away like that. Look at the difference. You see that? So good, right? So you can just brush it on a paper towel, and go back into your powder, coat the brush, tap the excess, swipe it. Just like that. And then to even out the actual color itself, the tone is fine. We've brought down the brightness, so this is at a really good spot. But what you want to do last, if you're concerned about the color just being wrong, you're going to take your your bronzer, tap in, and just lightly dust right over your cheeks. And beautiful. Look at that. So much better, right? Last one, eyeliner. Okay. This is a situation. We are going to do several things. First thing is calm down. What you don't want to do when it comes to your eyeliner is like freak out, because you've already done that and that's how you got here. So what we're going to do instead, we are going to go in with a cotton swab, a little cotton bud makeup remover. So I do not recommend. This is the Elemis White Flowers Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. This is one of those bio face ones, you know, the ones that have like, do you see how it's separated and you shake it up and then it's like an oil based. Don't use this. It's going to break down your makeup. You don't want to break down your makeup. You just want to get rid of the particular area you're working on. So if you have like a micellar water, that would be perfection. I'm just going to use my absolute favorite makeup remover, which is the Avon True Color Moisturizing Eye Makeup Remover Lotion. It is the longest name, super affordable, the best stuff I've ever used for eye makeup. I don't even waste my time anymore with anything else. This I'm just trying to use up because I've had it. So taking my Q-tip cotton bud, just rolling it in the eye makeup remover, and what I'm going to do is remove the wing. So I am pulling inward. Don't rub out because you're going to drag the color out. You're going to pull in. Then you're going to use the dry side, wipe it clean. Just like that. Okay? You see that? Okay, good. Now, other side. Get a new one. Roll it in the makeup remover. Pull. You're just barely, I mean, like you're not pushing really hard, but you're going to wipe towards the eye. Take the clean side, the clean dry side, dry it, again, going towards the eye. Okay? So what we are doing in this moment, we are abandoning the winged eyeliner. That is no longer your look. You've lost the privilege of a winged eyeliner once you've screwed it up. So we're redirecting, right? You're going to course correct. So we're going to go in. This is now going to be a smoky eye. Yeah, it's happening. It's going to be a wearable smoky eye, but that's the train we're getting on. Choo, choo. Let's go. So we're going to go into a eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use something that is not, don't go for black. People do that all the time. That's just silly. Don't do it. It's too intense. You're going to get color all over your face. It's going to fall down, and you're going to ruin all the fixing you just did. So you can go in with something brown. You can go in with something, this is like a kind of plummy purpley color. I'm going to go in with this brown color. I'm going to tap the end of my brush and then also tap the side. So I'm packing color on the side and on the end. Okay, that's important and strategic for a reason. What I'm going to do, I'm going now all over my eyelid, including on top of the eyeliner. Here we go. Use the side of the brush and you're just going to tap, 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 over top of where you already have your eyeshadow and your eyeliner, like so. Then you're going to go back in, get more color, do the same on the other side, just like that. And yeah, you can layer. I mean, I have 3 layers of eyeshadow on at this point because I put on my regular eyeshadow for the day, and then I put on my I'm screwing up my makeup eyeshadow, and now I'm putting on the I'm fixing my eyeshadow. So go back, tap again. You're just building up layers of color. Go to the other side, tap again. So what this has done is it has taken down the intensity of that winged liner that was not working out, you're now going to take your brush and you are going to swipe it on a paper towel to clean it. And you're going to now just really lightly just go in windshield wiper motions into your crease. So you're just kind of softening up where you put that color. Now, you're still seeing eyeliner. The eyeliner is now peeking through behind the eyeshadow, but now it looks intentional and pretty. And when I said smoky eye, I didn't mean like smoky eye for the club. I meant smoky eye appropriate for daytime. And now you look really pretty. You can go and face the world. Fixing, done. Yeah, just like that. You know, no big deal. Just making your world go round so that you can feel like you can go see the people now, because before I would never. I mean, I went on Instagram and let the people know that I was doing this, but yo, that was rough. That was hard. That was hard to put out into the world. I can't let people see me like that. Oh my gosh. So once more, I just need to let you know that this opportunity is real and alive, and I am going to teach you in makeup tune-up the most important thing when it comes to fixing this makeup, which is how to avoid making these mistakes in the first place. Because you're going to have a plan. You're going to have a step-by-step routine that I curate for you that eliminates all of those moments when you're like, oh gosh, and then I was going for a winged eyeliner. Is a winged eyeliner like part of your routine? Because if it's not, let's not go there. Or even better, let's create a routine that shows you exactly how to get that wing liner so that it's nice and thin and exactly the way you want it, and it is foolproof. And you know now how to just use the little Q-tip and the little eye makeup remover, wipe inward, dry it, boom, you can fix it. Easy peasy. I got skills, y'all. I got all the tools and the tricks and everything for you. I want you to feel really good. I want you to be able to like just really excel at feeling like you can put yourself together quick and move on with your life, but feel daggone good about how you look. And most importantly, you gotta stop hanging on to makeup that you don't love. Like this lipstick, I actually hold on to it purposely for videos like this, but I have bought this lipstick twice, accidentally. Now, it's the Clinique formula that I'm obsessed with, and that's why I keep going back for more. It was a mistake. I knew about this color. I just sometimes do that where I'm like, you're so pretty. And then I buy it and I'm like, I think I have you. Because I do. But Ruby Pop is not my color. It's not. I should not own Ruby Pop. So it should go bye-byes. So I will stop reaching for it. And if you find that you keep reaching for stuff that doesn't make you feel good, we're going to get rid of it in an appropriate way so that you can have just really great stuff in your makeup routine that always works, always makes you feel good, always delivers in the way that you need it to. Again, you can sign up right now, 85beauty.com/makeup tune-up. And I will be back tomorrow night to give you another tip, another trick, another way that we can make makeup feel easy and accessible. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you soon. And as always, stay fabulous. Bye, y'all.